So guys, here is the website. That name is Pippit AI, and that is powered by Seedance 2.0. So I show you their model Seedance 2.0 already working there, and that is a very amazing thing. So first of all, what exactly Pippit AI? Pippit AI is our all-in-one content creation platform powered by CapCut. It helps users create videos, marketing, content, AI, visuals, product ads, iWriters, and social media content much faster using AI tools. So one of the best highlights in this integration that Seedance AI model, a next-generation's AI video model by Seedance 2.0 of the Mortal Conjumate is cinemated multi-sourced videos directly from text phones or images while keeping the character style and emotion consistent throughout the video. So by the result looks supremely good. So guys, now we can talk about their features as well. They are doing amazing, a greater thing. First of all, guys, if you talk about their features, first of all, guys, support text to video and image to generation. Simply describe your scenes and get the create full synthetic video. So guys, if you give a prompt to them, if you want a video, anything like that, so you have to put the prompt here, like, we have to put a prompt like, so guys, we have gave a prompt to them. Simply we can click on generate. So let's see how they provide us the video. So simply, guys, you can click on the V-Generate button if you want image, if you want a video of which models you want. That is Upvote Pro is already there. The Seedance 2.0 is one of the greatest there. Simply, guys, you can click on the Generate button. The sound will be, hey guys, a shoe, and if you want a new video, that will be provided to you as well. So guys, I will add my video the hair that generated before, and that is one of the guys amazing thing. To second, export multiple short storytelling. That means instead of generating a static clip, it can connect scenes and camera movements, earned transactions. Another cool feature is a style and emotions controlled. You can adjust the mood, pacing, cinematic feels, and camera angles, and even the movement instantly of your scenes. Also sport multiple aspects, a ratio like 16:9 and a YouTube 9:16 shorts or Jua video clip that squares formatted for a social media. So guys, how we can simply use it. First of all, guys, we talk about once open a Pippit. You can simply go to the video nature sections. You can simply, guys, open it. So before that, you can simply create your account there. That is, guys, a simple process. Then, guys, after putting that, you can check out the solutions there, like Video Generator, AI Video Generator, Design AI, Everthought. Different kind of things are there if you want a product. So as you get simply AI Video Generator, all design avatar is also giving there, and you can check out their sources as well. There are multiple sources are providing to them. So you can check out the emojis that they are providing. That is the amazing thing. So for example, a futuristic skies, a Superman city in a night of a cinematic camera movement and neon lightning. Then choose on the Seedance you want. After the select during video durations, a language, or you can guys, aspect ratio. Now as you can simply click on the generate button here. And the verse interesting is that Python allows additional editing after generating. You can modify scenes, change pacing, replace objects, and everything is provided to you. So that is the amazing thing here provided by Seedance 2.0. So guys, overall, the Pippit AI with the Seedance 2.0 looks a very powerful AI video creation start home for 2026. So it's combine a video or text to a video and a different kind of videos as well. So as if you've joined our video, guys, let's make a like and subscribe into this video, and we will meet in the next video, all bitter and great old cat form. So guys, in last video, again, this video is just for educational purpose. Before joining, you have to do your research first and then invest. Now, as we have to meet the next video, goodbye.